Are you looking for some lights at a good price to up your time-lapse and video game? I know this is generally off topic for me, but I hope you've noticed that I have been improving my video and lighting quality for all the things that I do. So I have a few things I want to share. One thing in particular, a decently priced light that can help you whether you're trying to light your videos better or you're trying to light your time lapses better. Enter the Bauer ring light. Now this is only $35 at Walmart, and it's really good for the price, as I'm actually lighting this scene right now with 3 of them. My backlight, here's my ring, I'll share it with you. It comes with a backdrop, clamps, a light stand, and a small tripod with a Bluetooth remote and mounts for different types of cameras hidden inside. You can hang this over a printer and get some really nice light, or you can use it just to hit the backdrop of a video that you're shooting. But that's a really good deal if you're looking to bump up your video game.